it's all on record. The theory is that they were trying to stop him, not just because they hate him, but because he was going to turn back the hands. If he had another 4 years, he'd turn back the hands of a lot of this stuff that they have done. 4 years is not enough to undo everything that has been done by the progressives in 100 years. It's just not enough time. You know, I joked a minute ago and I said, if they've got dictionary.com, what chance do we stand? And it was a joke, but it's also kind of real. They control everything now. They are in control of almost everything. Yeah, we'll show you next hour that they've changed Wikipedia. And they're just going in, and it's the founders that are cool with it. They're changing things on Wikipedia to make people sound better than they are, and take away any of the distractions, as they would call it, because they need them in power. When you can change the meaning of words overnight, and the old authorities will stand by and say, no, that's the definition. And you stand there going, wait, when did that change? When did that change? And they just move forward as if there has been no change. It's made to make you feel alone. And I have to tell you, I think COVID has been used to make you feel very alone as well. It's being used to destroy businesses, destroy morale, destroy education. I think destroy our children. I don't know if your kids are suffering from COVID, but mine are. And they've had COVID itself. It was not a problem. The restrictions, the things that are going on right now, you lose meaning. You lose your way. You begin to feel very, very alone and defeated. And they want you to feel that way. If you were really, they treat us like we're children. We're not children. But it's an insult to parents to say we treat them, they treat us like children.